Ooh, there's fries. We can make a happier meal. Pre-1990, I ate a lot of Happy Meals, and the fries that came in those Happy Meals were cooked in beef tallow, also known as rendered beef fat. This stuff gives fries a crispy exterior, fluffy, pillowy insides, and a rich, decadent flavor. After switching to the cost-effective, vegetarian-friendly vegetable oil, people noticed. Just like Mickey D's, we're gonna be using frozen French fries, because the key to a perfectly cooked golden French fry is one that's been cooked twice. Frozen French fries have already been cooked once, which makes my job a lot easier. Another ingredient you'll find in McDonald's French fries is hydrolyzed vegetable protein, an additive found in commercially produced foods to give them a hit of umami. We don't have any HVP, but we do have MSG, which has a very similar flavor profile. To make the ultimate fry seasoning, which I call umami salt, we will be mixing 1 tablespoon of MSG with 2 tablespoons of fine sea salt. And we're just gonna blitz them together until they turn into a fine powder. Now we're just gonna set our umami salt aside and head on over to the stove. First, you're gonna heat a cup of beef tallow over high heat in a large stainless steel or cast iron pan. Once the oil starts to shimmer a little bit, you wanna take a single test fry. If it starts to sizzle immediately like that, that means the oil is hot enough. If it doesn't do that, just let it heat a little more. Once your oil is heated to the proper temperature, you just want to take a couple handfuls of fries and add as many as you can in a single layer. Then you just want to swirl them around. This should just take a couple minutes. And what you want is just the palest golden brown. That is what you want. Then you just want to scoop them out and get them on some paper towels. Then you just repeat as needed so you have as many fries as you want. Sprinkle with umami salts and serve immediately. I like to enjoy mine with McDonald's sweet and sour sauce because it is the best fry dipping sauce known to man and cannot be replicated by God nor human. Now this is a happier meal. One might say a pile of fries is the happiest meal.